Oh my God, water has a importance. Start in lives and hear the thunder, another side and cloud, top of the thunder, and let me watch, let me observe my my little forest surroundings. Little forest surrounding is this, and see me most enjoying the rainy time and this of the little forest. You can mesmerize the things again. I am moving with the bright steps, and auto is moving and things going, and this one auto came, and this is my what is called first dream of the things. Then I have planned to change my dreams, but Alhamdulillah, when God decides something, very difficult to change. We are making the plan and plan, but master plan is very big things. It is very difficult to change the master plan, but you should enjoy whatever it is. It is the antique gate of the little forest starting point. And see how many, for how much pleasure I am getting from this movie. Now I am going to the northern side of little forest, and it is moving by, and wait, maybe I can show you something as a special. This you hear, this you watch. This yesterday one snake changed his dress, and he is waiting for the woodlands dress. Maybe you can imagine how this Madi guy talking about the Madi things, and my forest, one banana kula falling, and this is a life, yeah, beautiful life. Enjoy the life, and nature is making big role, and it is making happiness in your life, and enjoy. I am moving by one rosy umbrella. It is my little girl's umbrella, and see, I will show you this also after my technical aspects. Okay.